Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the freeze frame effect in Capcut PC. This effect is super interesting when you want to add a professional feel to a particular scene in your clip. You can do this effect and it's quite simple. It's done with Capcut AI and it's unbelievably good. So for this one, we're going to be using this image we've used in the past. I'm just going to move. For instance, I want to freeze when our clothes seems to be flying like so, this area. So I'm just going to do Control B and hit that, and you can just move that again. You might not necessarily need to split the screen, but I like to do that, so do Control B. So I want my freeze frame to start from this part. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, as you can see, if you look at this, you see split to the right, split to the left, delete. This is the one we want to click on. It says freeze, so I'm going to hit on that, and as you can see, it has frozen this part of the image. Okay, so if you want to make the freeze longer, you can actually increase it or reduce it. Okay, so you can see we didn't really need to split the screen, but I like to do that sometimes because that is where I wanted to start here. So now let's just split from the beginning and you're going to see how this effect worked out for us. So let's split from the beginning. See, that's the freeze and action. You can see it was back at it again. So if you want the freeze to be shorter, maybe for instance you want to add a text to this freeze, you can make it longer or shorter. If you want to reduce the freeze, you can just drag like that. It's going to reduce it by 1 second. So this is what you get now, and our video reduces. Okay, this effect works maybe for instance someone is skating or about to take a shot, maybe playing soccer, football or basketball, about to dunk, and you can just freeze when the ball was, or when the person is about to hit the ball, and you freeze that frame and write this is about to get epic, and then it plays again and you see that action. So that was how freeze frame work. I hope it was very easy for you and you'll be able to do this now and create lovely professional videos using freeze frame. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.